I don't think y'all ready for this. Like, I really don't think you guys are ready for this. I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. Hey everyone, it's Tyra and welcome back to my channel. This hair is looking really crazy. I know. Y'all don't gotta say anything about it because I know it's dry and crusty and matted, and I don't want to even be on here right now, but I'm doing this for y'all. Child. I'm just going to do the intro like this because I feel like I look less crazy doing the intro like this, but I probably still look crazy. But we're gonna keep this intro real short and sweet because I need to get this hair together. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I will be detangling my hair. That's it. That's the intro. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button because your girl out of college, so that means I can finally be the consistent queen that I've always wanted to be. So hit that subscribe button because I have a ton of videos planned and y'all don't want to miss them. But without further ado, I gotta get this hair together. I'm sitting on a medicine ball, so if you see me bouncing, that's why. So this is what my hair looks like when I don't do it in a week. Only a week and my hair looks this crusty. Gotta love it. This is how my hair is looking. The edges are real crusty because it's just a bunch of Eco Styler caked on. Okay, so let the fun begin. I'm only going to be using 2 products to detangle my hair: water and some conditioner. This is my old faithful, my OG. This conditioner has been with me through some hard times. It is the Trader Joe's Nourish and Spa conditioner. I'm just going to start off by spraying my hair with some water. That did nothing. I need more water. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So that is good. You just want your hair to be pliable. You don't want it to be, you know, all dry. So before I section it, I'm just going to take a little bit of conditioner. Maybe a lot. I'm gonna take enough. I always like getting my edges first because we love our edges and they're delicate and you don't want to really manipulate those when they're all crusty. Okay, so now that my hair is split down the middle, I'm just going to take some more conditioner just to put it in the middle of the part. And now I'm just going to split the 2 sides in half. Now we can work on this half without having to worry about this other half. So, let's spray some more water. Ooh, child, that's running down my back. Now I'm just going to separate a small section in the back. If it's not separated, odds are you need more water. When in doubt, add some more water. Now we have our first section to work with. Okay, so I just want to show you guys that my hair shrinks up a lot when it's dry. So as you can see, like some of these pieces are still shrunken, but once I add more water, they will elongate and, you know, be easier to detangle. It's a lot easier to detangle your hair when all of it is elongated and not shrunken up. And the only way to do that is by adding a lot of water and conditioner. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so this section is as detangled as I'm going to get it with my fingers. I'm not the biggest finger detangler. I'm not a person that's dependent on finger detangling. It will just take too long and I want to make sure I get all the tangles out. So I use my little fake dimming brush and I get whatever tangles I missed out. Always starting from the bottom, working my way up. Oh yeah, and I like to twist my sections after I'm done detangling, just so they can stay detangled, because so I'm not doing this again. Boom. Why is my robe collar popped? Let me fold that down. Okay. First section done. Already want to break, but I'll probably do one more section before I take a break. I said I was going to do another section and then take a break, but I ended up taking a break before doing the other section and I went to sleep. So we're continuing. So I finished detangling half of my head. Only did it in 16 minutes. I just gotta do this side now. Honestly, the key to doing your hair is don't take breaks, because when you take breaks, it just makes the process so much longer. So I'm gonna just knock this side out. I'm gonna knock it out. I'm not taking a break. So now I'm just going to repeat the same process on this side, just spraying it with water and dividing into little subsections to make it easier. Applying my conditioner and, you know, making it do what it do. Finally, I'm on the last section. All my hair is detangled. Now all I have to do is wash it. I leave these twisting while I wash my hair because I'm not trying to have my hair tangle back up. I don't do this routine every time. In an ideal world, I would, but I don't. I go into the shower with old, matted, crusty, tangled hair, but I'm trying to live a better life. So I'm gonna try to do this before every wash day to make my life easier, because I be wanting to chop all my hair off. Honestly, I do, because just don't go into the shower with your hair tangled. It's gonna make your process even longer and you're just gonna regret it. So just detangle your hair before washing it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And until next time, bye.